Make sure to get most of it. Then we're gonna get some water. Let's see how much cake mix and water. Doesn't say how much water. One cup of water. There should be 1 cup. If I'm correct.
Say 1 cup?
1 cup. Alright. And then I think it only needs 1 or 2. It could be. But we're gonna do 1. Gotta be careful. Very careful. Just gonna pour it. Now, let's see what else it shows. Eggs, 3 specifically. 3 eggs. Gotta be careful with the carton. Eggs could break. We're gonna do 3 eggs. So that's 1. Trash can. 2. 3. Now, go wash my hands. Yeah. I'm not actually gonna wash, but get some water. You don't need much. It's just how I grab paper towels. Next one, 1/2 cup of oil. We're gonna need the pan. No, I got it. Get it all in there.
Hold on. We have dry ingredients. Hold on.
It's looking beautiful.
No, it's not done yet. Hold on.
Wait a minute. I gotta get something. I'm really missing.
You should put it in front of him. And he's doing that so that you don't have to stand there.
Alright. Put it on me and I'll hold the camera. So this is what it's looking right now. I'm getting my apron put on. The eggs we used. It's the empty bowl. Kind of weird, but you know, it's the only way we can do it. Alright. Now that I got my apron on, we set it for 105 degrees.
150.
150.
For 350.
Fahrenheit.
350.
We gotta
350.
get those out. Now we try to find something real quick. I can't find it, but some like this will work. This will work. Okay. Is it actually on? Is it turned on? Is it turned on, Dad?
Yeah.
Why is it turned on?
You have to preheat it. Get your pants out. I'll do it. It's hot. I don't want you to burn.
That's why I didn't want to do it. And guys, you can do this at home, but be careful when it's around. Now, you can put close it up. Now it's the waiting game. Alexa,
Hey. Yeah, how long?
15 to 10 minutes. Alexa,
Oh, you're not quite sure how to help you with that.
Alexa, set a timer for 15 minutes.
Right, it's 15 minutes. Starting now. Yeah, let me give you a call back 2 seconds. Alright.
So,
Now you put yourself away.
Yep, clean up your mess.
alright, now I'm going to
Well, you gotta put.
Put everything away first.
while we're waiting on that, so put everything away. Throw this away. This is there. Oops. I'll put that in a minute. Set this right here. Now, and move this. We're not using this.
Your hand towel.
First, we gotta spray.
You're not posting this one.
We are back. Now we're gonna do the final thing. The frosting. Get it all on here. It's gonna be good. Then after I'll tell you how it tastes. Oh, there. Oops. This looks yummy, guys. Now, spread this big chunk around. Give it a good spread. Looks delicious. So after this, I'm gonna make it look smooth. Gently swipe. Make the lines disappear. You don't want any of those weird lines. Okay, and kind of spread this on the bottom. That'll look better. So, what do you think we should do next, Dad? Here, I got it. Oh, that's what I was gonna grab. No matter what, if it doesn't look even, but you guys can do it when you go home. At your home. Do it gently. Now let's try. There we go. The hold is now cupped. So, right now, can't really see anything, but if you want to lick the spoon, you can. Well, if you want to. So, I will see you guys. You know what? No, not yet. Gotta do the taste test. Get a little piece out. It's good. icing is covering it. Alright, I'll take my piece and I'll take this piece. I'll take a smaller piece right here. Is there a better way to get it? Here, can you get me a spatula from over there?
So.
Trying to get it out.
Sure.
Right. Whoa. Time to get a fork. Look at this. Beautiful, guys. It's looking beautiful. Flesh on. Alright. Tell you guys how it tastes. Mmm. Very good. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.